back at it here on Martin Sunbeam. Been labeling all of our wiring that goes outside through the firewall, which will really help in here get this buttoned up. So we'll get everything routed out that needs to be out, then we'll finish up what's in here and work our way up here, then put it back on the rack and run everything out to the back. As you can see, headlights, this is starter solenoid, this is all voltage regulator, this is the rear lights, tail lamp wiring, etc., etc. Alright, so here's our wiring from our column, as you can see. And then here in our new harness are the mates to the wiring for the column. So we're going to put these babies together. Obviously, it's match game. It's not hard. But, you know, some people aren't bright enough to do this. So we're going to put this together, snap these in. We actually need to go grab, push to connect, you know, the snap connectors off the old harness. Because, of course, they didn't include them in the new harness. So, but look. Yay. Sort of, kind of easy. Brown, white, orange. Brown, white, orange. Kind of can't screw that up, folks. Alright, well, our turn indicator stuff is hooked up at least. And we have black with white, black with red, black with white, black with red, brown, brown. So, just need to go borrow a connector from the old harness, put those babies together. So beginning to get everything chased here. We have everything on our starter relay connected where it's supposed to go. So all that wiring's in. Put this prophylactic back up there, of course. So that's all set. Work on our fuse block. Here is our lights for the driver's side. Those will go down there. Join up with this whole mountain of fun down here. Red and green. And get to figure out what the hell's what. Because that's been messed with. We got this stuff routed across already for our ignition. All our horn relays and all that. Getting that figured out. Coming along. Alright, to show how much progress we made today, I've hooked up the battery. I just want to see if the starter will crank. I know I have to hook up all the ignition wiring and the fuses and all that, so obviously it won't fire. But I just want to see if it'll crank. Because if it will, we'll be happy. Hey, look at that. Well, that's promising. Ow! I hit my head on the roof. Alright, I'm going to unhook the battery now. Maybe hook up the ignition and see if we can get it to light.